So here in first part of this question, the price elasticity of demand, the price elasticity of demand of demand can be calculated as the percentage change in quantity demand, which is represented by delta Q upon the percentage change in the price, which is represented by delta P. Now, in this case, the percentage change in quantity demand, which is percentage change delta Q, is equals to 600 boxes minus 1000 boxes upon 1000 boxes, and this comes out to be minus 40%. The percentage change in price, which is represented by percentage delta P, and that is equals to